Yes, Teachers Appreciation Week is next week. Yes, so no matter if you are a parent looking for some new ideas to give to your teacher, or maybe you're a teacher wanting to bless and encourage another teacher, this video is for you. Let's get right into our ideas right now. So my name is Brianna. I went from teaching outside of the classroom and working in the early childhood field to now being right here in the home. I have 2 small children that I homeschool at home, and I'm working to the Brown Bear Book Club. We offer resources to young children and to anyone who works with young children. So that means parents, educators, whoever. So let's get right into today's teaching tool. All right, so the first thing is I want you to identify what type of teacher you are wanting to gift a gift for. Whether they're a parent or a teacher, it doesn't matter, because parents are teachers and teachers are amazing. So let's get right into it. So identify what type of teacher. So I'm gonna go through a couple of different type of teachers and type of gifts you might wanna give that type of teacher that type of gift. So let's get right into it, guys. So if you have a sentimental teacher, this is someone who really holds on to memories, words, and different things of that nature. Sentimental teachers, that was me. I keep this in a box, and also I put this thing in my office as well. And so, sentimental teachers love words. So things like personalized gifts where you can put their name on here. World's greatest teacher, the Busy Buddies, Mrs. Bree. That was my first teaching year. Or something where the child just writes something. This was actually one of the kids who wrote me a note. I love Miss Bree, and it has her name at the bottom. So these are just some different sentimental ideas that you can do for a teacher who loves words. But another thing that's super priceless is that even when you pick up your child, or if you are a homeschooling parent and your parents coming in from the day, one easy way to appreciate them is listen to how their day is going, and also let them know, like tell them on a daily basis or a weekly basis, you know, wow, my child really enjoyed when you did this, or so-and-so told me this, or the song that you were singing, they're singing it at home, or they're singing it later on. That is so encouraging for teachers and for homeschooling parents to hear. Another cool little gift idea that you can do is supplies. Of course. So you can either do a supply that will help the teacher, like a book, like this is a Bushel Blessings for Teachers, or you can do one of those little blessing card boxes, and I'll show you that right now. So yes, so that's like a card box that can pull each day, and it's just super encouraging because, as you guys know, being a parent or a teacher is not easy. You definitely need that encouragement and that sense of community and inspiration to keep you going sometimes. So that is a tool idea. Of course, the practical tools: scissors, glue, books, children's books, books for the teacher, supplies, paper, paint, markers, all of those things. You might think like, oh, they have plenty of that. Well, let me tell you, after teaching a full year, you'll notice that tops of markers are gone, crayons are broken, papers ran out. You can never have enough paint. So all those supplies, if they can't use it then, they can always use it later. And if you're liking this content so far, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. All right, guys. So another idea that I want to talk to you guys about is hobbies. So think about, what does the teacher really like? Is she an accessory, or he an accessory type of person? Do you see him in a tie, or do you see her wearing earrings or necklaces? Those are gift ideas. One of my students one year gave me a pair of earrings, and it was so sweet because he noticed that I love accessories. Or maybe they're athletic, water bottles, things like that. T-shirts, those are fun, cool gift ideas. Another type of teacher is the decorative teacher. So you'll notice a decorative teacher because a lot of times they have a lot of matchy stuff, borders everywhere, colors everywhere. So borders, posters, different things like that. And then decorative but useful. Think about tools that the teacher can also use that's cute for the classroom but it's also useful. This was a flowering pot or a plant pot, you can say. My first year of teaching, not my first year, it was somewhere third, fourth, somewhere in there in the early days. My husband got me this gift, and it was a plant that I put in my classroom, and it was something that the children could help water. He did die. Actually, he just recently died a few months ago. And so now I'm using it again to plant more seeds with my children here at home. So decorative, but still useful. Also, whatever gift you decide to give, add a little card to it. I have some little thank you cards that you can use for teachers, and I'll show you that right now. So let me know in the chat below, are you a parent just like looking for ideas? Like, how old is your child? Let me know in the chat below how old and what grade, or are they a child care center? Are you appreciating a homeschooling parent? Are you appreciating a grade school teacher? Let me know in the chat below. And if you are a teacher stopping by, hey, let me know what was your favorite gift that you've received from students. Last but not least, memories, something that teachers can keep memories in, because, and this probably falls into the sentimental, but I really love this little box. This was the best teacher ever. And so whatever you put your gift or ideas in, consider like something that the teacher can use again. So this was a box. Now I use this as like my little sentimental box that I use for my previous year's teaching. And now I put some of my kids' stuff in here that are sentimental to me. But you can use box, you can use, if you know that she likes scrapbooks or he likes scrapbooks, different things like this. But this box can be reused as anything. And you could probably reuse this in a classroom, in a center. So baskets, buckets, things of that nature are great gifts for teachers. So that is all I have for you. And I hope you guys know, whether you are a teacher or a parent stopping in or a grandparent or whoever you are, is that you are amazing to even want to give a gift to a teacher. And if you are a teacher, you know on any given day, we are counselors, doctors, nurses, social workers. We are dressed up in all types of costumes just to bring out the lesson. I just want to let you guys know that you are amazing. And so that's all I have for you today. And I'll talk to you again on another Teaching Tool Thursday.